God is saying to you today, my child, do not lose hope. I know the pain you feel and I see the tears you cry. But remember, I am with you, even in your hardest moments. Trust in me, for I am the God who heals. Just as the sun rises after the darkest night, healing and peace will come to you. When you pray, you are not alone. I hear every word, every silent cry, and every whispered hope. Your prayers are powerful. They are like seeds planted in the soil of faith, and in the right time, they will grow into miracles. Have faith, even when you don't see the answer right away. Like a tree that grows slowly but becomes strong, your faith is growing. Keep believing, keep praying, and I will give you strength. Remember these words: I will restore your health and heal your wounds. Trust that my love for you is greater than any sickness or fear. Be strong, be courageous, and keep your heart open to my peace. Healing comes in many ways, sometimes in your body, sometimes in your heart, but always through my love. I am the God who brings beauty from ashes, who turns mourning into dancing. Just as the rain renews the earth, so will my love renew your spirit. Hold on to me, for I am your shield and the lifter of your head. I will wipe away every tear and bring you into the fullness of my joy. Know this, my child, you are not forgotten. I am working behind the scenes, bringing light into your darkest hours. What may seem like a delay is my perfect timing, preparing you for blessings greater than you can imagine. Trust that I am for you and I will never leave you nor forsake you.